Hey guys, it's the Fanboy 20 again, and here's a video of the Hampton Bay windward in my friend's house. It's in the office room. So anyways, here's the light. And here's low. This is a pretty cool fan. It's a very nice install. I really like the install. I think this is from Home Depot. Okay, now here's medium. This fan has a really fast medium, it looks just like high. Okay, now here's high. Yeah, by the way, in case you haven't noticed, this is a flush mountain. So yeah, that's the Hampton Bay windward in my friend's house, or their office. Bye.